This in this particular session, I am going to discuss about only synthesis of the five-membered heterocycles and aromaticity, character, and properties. In the last session, in the part 1, as I have uploaded in the Google Classroom, I hope you all seen that recorded video. In part 1, you have studied only basic aspects of heterocyclic compounds, that is nomenclature system and the classification of heterocyclic compounds and so on. In this session, I am going to discuss about the synthesis of the five-membered heterocycle spirol furan and aromaticity character of the five-membered heterocycles. As per your syllabus, you are having a very simple and general method, that is the synthesis of five-membered heterocycles furan, thiophene, and pyridine by the Pollnar synthesis method, that is from 1,4-diketone. 1,4-diketone. So here one example is given, that is synthesis of the substituted furan. When you look into this is a hexane 2,5-dione, but a word is given 1,4-diketone. Suppose no methyl groups are being present here, only hydrogen atoms are there, then we can call it as 1,4-diketone. Suppose no methyl group, this is the first carbon, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So now we can call it as it is 1,4-diketone. But in fact, here you will find methyl group. So therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hexane 2,5-dione. This is the second carbon. It is fifth carbon, 2,5-dione. Whether we can, if you take directly 1,4-diketone or substituted 1,4-diketone, this is called even substituted 1,4-diketone. It is diketones, they undergo tautomerism and exist in enolic form, keto-enol system. This representation is called keto-enol system. They exist in enolic form. Keto group is converted into OH group. Here you will find the double bond character. When this 1,4-diketone is heated with phosphorus pentoxide is a dehydrating agent, and here you will find elimination of the water molecule. Okay, here you will find elimination of the water molecule. So suppose if you take the OH and this here H group, then elimination of water molecule is taking place. Ring cyclization is involved and it is converted into 2,5-dimethyl furan. It means the 1,4-diketones on heating with dehydrating agent followed by enolic structure where water molecule is being eliminated, and you will get a 2,5-dimethyl furan. This is one of the methods, that is Pollnar synthesis for the furan it is. Similarly, if you take 1,4-diketone or substituted diketone, when heated with phosphorus sulfide, you will get a thiophene derivative. Here also you will find elimination of the water molecule with respect to H of this OH group and here, and the sulfur is get introduced at this position. Ring cyclization is taking place. Then you will get the formation of a thiophene. So 1,4-diketone in the similar fashion, if it is heated with the primary amine or ammonia or ammonium carbonate, you will get pyrrole derivative. So either you can use directly 1,4-diketone or a substituted component, then you will get corresponding derivatives. Usually in this particular synthesis method, you will find two types of the questions. Either they will directly asking for 2-mark question. Give the synthesis of furan by 1,4-diketones or Pollnar synthesis of furan, or they may going to ask Pollnar synthesis of the thiophene or pyrrole, or directly one full question as the give the polymer synthesis of furan, thiophene, and pyridine. So this is about a general method of synthesis of the pyrrole, furan, and thiophene by the polymer synthesis method. Okay, by using 1,4-diketones heated with phosphorus pentoxide, you will get a 2,5-dimethyl furan. Phosphorus sulfide, you will get a thiophene. With respect to the primary amine or ammonium carbonate or with ammonia, you will get the pyrrole derivative. Okay, suppose only furan has been asked, you can write this equation. If thiophene is there, you can write this equation. Or if pyrrole is there, you can write this equation. When full one question is there, you can write all the three important set of sequences of equations. This is about the polymer synthesis of 5-membered heterocycles. We shall move towards aromaticity of the 5-membered heterocycles. Before going to discuss about the aromaticity of these heterocycles, you just recall your memory what you have studied in BSc second semester. Word aromaticity stands for stability of the compound. Normally we are saying that any compound consisting of at least one benzene nucleus, it is called aromatic, but it is not the exact definition. A compound, one which is becoming more stable, having higher resonance energy, planar in structure, sp2 hybridized, possessing the 4n plus 2 pi electrons, or it could obey the Haeckel's rule, then we can call it as aromatic. Here you can see the pyridine and phenolene. Both these two heterocycles are aromatic. They are almost analogous to benzene nucleus. Benzene is consisting of 3 pi bonds and 6-membered nucleus. But there in benzene you will find 6 carbon atoms. But in fact, in the pyridine you will find 5 carbon atoms. Here 1 heteroatom is there. Okay, 1 heteroatom. So this heteroatom, it is not supposed to interfere with aromaticity character, of course, but however, the pi bonding electrons, they are resembling with the benzene nucleus. So here they get involved in the delocalization, that is called pi delocalization, and is supposed to be called as aromatic. Whenever ring is substituted by any highly electronegative atom, it is a part of the ring. Of course, nitrogen is more electronegative than the carbon. Instead of delocalization of the pi bonding electrons, they may going to get localized on the nitrogen atom. In such case, the delocalization process is not going to be completed. It may not be highly stabilized by resonance, and however, it is less aromatic as compared to that of the benzene. Here you can see the statement of this when one of the carbon atoms of benzene is substituted by nitrogen. Okay, suppose no nitrogen, it is benzene. Nitrogen atom, the system is perturbed because electronegativity of nitrogen, which is more than that of the carbon atom. This difference in electronegativity causes the localization, because electronegative atom having tendency to attract electron towards itself. Because of that, during delocalization in the ring, all electrons are get moving towards the nitrogen atom. That is called electronegativity causes the localization of electron density on the heteroatom, which resulting in the loss of electron density from the carbon atoms. Okay, that means it will loses its character and it exhibits less aromaticity as compared to that of the benzene. The chemistry of such compounds, when you view that, this type of the aromaticity character of this, especially pyridine, it is supposed to be called a pi deficient aromatic heterocyclic compounds in view of the electron deficiency on the ring carbon atoms. The pi deficient aromatic heterocyclic compounds in view of the electron deficiency on the ring carbon, it is because of the nitrogen atom having tendency to attract electrons, the pi bonding electrons during delocalization process, instead of complete delocalization, they get localized over here. So therefore, the ring carbon atoms will lose their character and they may going to exhibit the less aromatic character as to that of the benzene it is. Benzene is one of the precursor compound to explain about aromatic character. So therefore, first I have discussed in analogous to benzene by taking pyridine and quinoline. Quinoline is also remained same it is. When we go to second type of the series of the compounds, the aromatic heterocyclic may be derived from the corresponding carbocyclic aromatic analogous. Suppose you can take cyclopentadiene. In cyclopentadiene, you will find 5 carbon atoms, but here one of the carbon atoms substituted by nitrogen, sulfur, oxygen. So these are almost looks like a completed form of conjugated dienes. Conjugate system means alternative double bond, single bond character, or lone pair of electrons in association with a double bond character. So these are all the having conjugation or conjugated diene character. So it is one of the important factors to explain the aromaticity character of these 5-membered heterocycles. We shall move towards the orbital picture of these 5-membered heterocycles. For instance, I have taken here, this is the orbital picture of the pyrrole, orbital structure of the furan it is. When you write the electronic configuration for nitrogen, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1x, 2p1y, 2p1z. When it undergoes hybridization, one of the p orbital becomes vacant. Okay, you will find here, and the one orbital, that is sp2 hybrid orbital, is filled with lone pair of electrons. So these electrons are in p orbital. Okay, all atoms are sp2 hybridized. The carbon atoms are having unused p orbitals with a single electron, but in the nitrogen, one of the p orbital is filled with lone pair of electrons, another is get bonded by this hydrogen and so on. And these lone pair of electrons, they will perform aromatic sextet, thereby involving the delocalization process. You can see here, this is the way where delocalization is completed, the aromatic sextet. These are the 4 electrons from the carbon, 2 electrons from nitrogen. This would satisfy the 4n plus 2 pi electron system. Hence, we may say that pyrrole is supposed to be aromatic in character. Similarly, you can take the oxygen atom. When you write electronic configuration, you will write 1s2, 2s2, 2p2x, 2p1y, 2p1z. So in the p orbital, you will find lone pair of electrons, and from the carbon atoms, you will find the single electrons in the unused p orbital. So this is the complete delocalization process. A continuous overlapping system of the p orbitals is called the p delocalization or pi delocalization. Here there is unshared pair of electrons in the sp2 hybrid orbital. They are not involved in the aromatic delocalization. So this representation is indicating that a system one which involves pi delocalization and obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron system, then we can call it as aromatic in character. That's why all these 3 5-membered heterocycles are aromatic in nature. So you can see the resonating structures of these 5-membered heterocycles. They will complete pi delocalization, just like your benzene nucleus. How benzene it undergoes the resonance, in the same fashion, the 5-membered heterocycles are also undergo resonance phenomenon, where delocalization, lone pair of electrons are involved in the ring cyclization, ring delocalization process with respect to pi bonding electrons of the ring. There are 2 pi bonds here and 2 lone pair of electrons from the heteroatom, and just like your benzene nucleus, these are also being represented by the resonating structures. And these resonating structures representing that there is a complete pi delocalization of electrons, and 2 electrons from heteroatom, the 4 electrons from these two pi bonds, totally it is going to satisfy 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. I hope you have studied about characteristic properties of the N in the BSc second semester. It may representing the monocyclic character, number of electrons in the non-bonding orbital and so on. But however, when N is equal to 1, N is equal to 1, it representing 6 pi electrons. Whenever any compound, if it obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron or Haeckel's rule, when N is equal to 0, 2 pi electrons, then we can call aromatic. N is equal to 1, 6 pi electrons, then it is aromatic. When N is equal to 2, then it is 10 electrons, then we can say it is aromatic. For example, you can take naphthalene. Naphthalene is consisting of 3 in one benzene nucleus, remaining 2 pi bonds in another nucleus. Totally, it becomes 10 pi electrons. Then it is called aromatic in character. Suppose you can take cyclobutadiene. Cyclobutadiene, you will find only 2 pi bonds. It never going to obey the 4n plus 2 pi electron rule. According to molecular orbital picture and molecular orbital theory, the electrons all, if they occupy the lowest energy possible state, and then it is represented by 4n plus 2 pi electron system, then we can say that it is aromatic in character. I am not going to discuss in detail about it here, the molecular orbital theory and all, but you should remember what exactly the characteristic property of the N, and when N is equal to 1, it is obeying 6 pi electrons. Here you can see 2 electrons from this heteroatom and 4 electrons from the pi bonding system of the 5-membered ring it is. Okay, so therefore the any compound, if it is supposed to be called as an aromatic, means it should be planar, it should be planar and sp2 hybridized and obeys 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, and it must be having conjugated system or conjugated diene character, and it has to undergo resonance and possessing resonance energy, then we can call it as it is an aromatic. All these conditions were going to satisfied by these following type of heterocycles like furan, the thiophene and pyrrole. I hope you understand about this concept, why they are supposed to be called as aromatic in character. This is another important factor towards to explain aromaticity of the 5-membered heterocycles. Then you look into the structure and aromaticity character. Already we have discussed about all the important factors. These are resonating structures for these 3 heterocycles like a furan, a thiophene and a pyrrole. Just like your benzene, there is movement of pi bonding electrons within the ring system, and the oxygen atom is carrying positive charge. Here you will find negative and so on. So this is supposed to be called one of the another important representation towards aromaticity character, resonance structures of the 5-membered heterocycles. In the examination for 2-mark question, they will ask about write the resonating structures of any one particular the 5-membered heterocycles. The structure and aromaticity character, the electrons in the pyrrole system, they are not available for protonation. They get involved in the ring delocalization. So therefore, the pyrrole is not supposed to be basic in character. So however, this representation, the pyrrole is supposed to be more reactive than furan, thiophene to that of the benzene. One thing you should remember, one which is being highly aromatic, that becomes more stable, less reactive. The pyrrole is least aromatic than furan to that of thiophene and benzene. The why pyrrole is less aromatic to that of the furan means in pyrrole nitrogen is somewhat it is electronegative in character, and it is going to show the more reactivity compared to that of the furan, thiophene and benzene. Of course, when you compare the electronegativity character, of course, oxygen is highly electronegative than the pyrrole. In fact, the tendency of order of reactivity is like this. Pyrrole is more reactive than furan, thiophene to that of the benzene it is. Okay, this is the order of aromaticity. Benzene is greater aromatic in character to that of the thiophene, to that of pyrrole and furan. So already I have told you there is some ambiguity towards these two aromatic components. But however, in the furan, oxygen is more electronegative than nitrogen. That's why the aromatic character is reduced. Even after studying the resonance energy, the benzene finds about 150 kilojoules per mole of energy. Thiophene is around 120. Pyrrole is found to be contain about the 90 point something will be there. Furan is nearly about 80. So this representation is supposed to be called Dine character. How they will explain about the aromaticity character. Again, this is an aromatic character of the 5-membered heterocycles, where orbital picture is representing the heat of combustion indicate resonance stabilization to the extent of 22 to 28 kilocalories per mole. It means it ranging from the 80 to about the 120 or 123 kilojoules per mole of energy. However, the benzene is found to about 36 kilocalories per mole. It is nearly about 150 kilojoules per mole of energy. So that's why benzene is highly aromatic as compared to that of your the compound supposed to be called as the 5-membered heterocycles. So here one important question is that thiophene is more aromatic than furan and pyrrole. When we compare electronegativity character, the oxygen is more electronegative in comparison with sulfur and nitrogen. So that's why furan is least aromatic, thiophene is more aromatic, and the nitrogen is highly, pyrrole is again least aromatic than thiophene. The sulfur atom belongs to this oxygen family, and in the second period it is. So therefore d orbitals are also available for the system. In the orbital picture it is representing, so they are get involved in the delocalization process. Okay, so other set of resonating structures for this thiophene, apart from normal resonating structures, when electrons are get involved with respect to d orbital, the 5 more resonating structures are possible for thiophene. It is highly stabilized resonance, and here you will find that it is represented by sp-d2 hybrid orbitals, and the electrons are get involved, and the more resonating structures are possible, and moreover it is stabilized by very high resonance energy of 120 kilojoules per mole of energy, hence it is highly aromatic. Thiophene is much more aromatic than pyrrole to that of the furan. So here you can see another important point. The furan is less than pyrrole thiophene to that of the benzene. This order is the consistent with respect to the order of electronegativity values for oxygen, nitrogen, and thiophene. Okay, so delocalization grading is also representing what we have discussed in the earlier the slides itself. Okay, and this is the delocalization pattern of orbital picture for the 5-membered heterocycles. Okay, this is the pattern where electrophilic substitution taking place in case of the benzene. When you compare here, the 5-membered heterocycles, they preferably undergo the 2 substitution rather than 3 substitution. When electrophile get attacking over here, these carbocations intermediates are being formed. Carbocation intermediate, that is called sigma complex, which is highly stabilized by resonance here. The positive charge is operating in all the 3 structures, including this heteroatom, and it is represented by 3 resonating structures. However, when C3 attack is there, you will find the lesser number of resonating structures. Only heteroatoms is donating, and then positive charge is created. Positive charge immediately developed on this halogen atom. You will not find a stable form of the structure over here. But here, this is much more stabilized. Here, it is also stabilized. So that's why the 5-membered heterocycles, preferably they undergo the 2 substituted formation of the product during electrophilic substitution. Usually, they will ask for two more questions. Why pyrrole, furan, or thiophene? During electrophilic substitution, they will form 2 substituted product as a major product instead of the 3 substitute. This is the reason Why the 5-membered heterocycles preferably undergo the 2 substituted product. So even you can look into the resonating structures. This could explain about the electrophilic substitution character. Just like our benzene, these 5-membered heterocycles, they undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. When you look into this pyrrole, with respect to pyrrole only I have taken here electrophilic attack, electrophiles get attacking over here, and then a carbocation is formed. These are highly stabilized by resonance. This is forming as a major product. When C3 attack is there, you will not find the more stability because of lesser number of resonating structures. That's why the it is highly aromatic, and moreover they prefer to undergo electrophilic substitution. Even energy barrier curve is also representing the when electrophilic attack is taking place at the second position, it is occupying lower energy state, and here it is higher energy state when C3 attack is going to taking place. Okay, so therefore always 5-membered heterocycles, they prefer to undergo 2 substituted product, formation of the 2 substituted. These are the important set of reactions. Pyrrole, when reacts with acetic anhydride, Friedel-Crafts reaction is taking place to form 2-acetyl pyrrole. Then hallucination, under different conditions you will find a tetrahallucine derivative, and nitric acid reaction, here you will find 2-nitro and 3-nitro substituted product with the least percentage, and so on. Okay, so these are other important set of reactions for the furan and thiophene. Okay, in the next class again I will discuss regarding in details of these electrophilic substitution reactions, including the mechanism of nitration of the pyrrole, and then I will continue with again the 6-membered heterocycles. So here itself I will stop. If you have any questions, you can unmute yourself and then you can ask the questions. Hardly 1 minute is there. Any questions from your side? Any questions? Okay, thank you.